ti samo reci. Može? Ajde.
Hello, Croatia. I'm from Indonesia. I'm Tere, and he is my husband now. We are just married.
Do you like Croatia?
Yes, I love so much Croatia because it's different in Indonesia.
Do you like the people?
Yes, so friendly and open. I can do whatever what I do.
What can you say?
What I can, yeah.
In Croatian.
The first word is volim te. It means I love you.
Good morning.
Dobro jutro.
When we confess before marriage, what did you say?
Bogu hvala. Yes.
And would you like to stay here or you like it here?
Yes, I love so much. Even though the weather is cold, but it's okay. I like the people.
What about the nature? You like it?
Yes, I like it so much.
Everything is awesome.
And
say hi to our viewers. Tell them you love them.
volim vas!